Good morning guys! Today is day 3 post-op sa ating rhinoplasty and I think I'll be starting a fresh vlog because siguro madami ng clips from the day of operation sa ating day 1 and day 2. So I included that and now we will start again with day 3. And right now, sinabihan ko ang aking mama na sobrang katina talaga ng ulo ko guys, and as I've mentioned, I'm experiencing dandruff lately, so what I will be doing is I will cover my face with a towel including my ears, and then paliguan ako ni mama sa buhok, only sa buhok because naligo na ako sa katawan yesterday. So let's do that. So dito ako uupo. Ay, ano yun? Like that. And then paliguan ni mama ang aking buhok. Ay, kabuti. Dito ay inuha na ako. Kailangan akong tumas maaari. Ala. Ala na. Yung mama naligo ha. Hello. Hi everyone! Tapos na tayong maligo sa buhok. Salamat sa ating hairstylist, sa ating cleaning lady and everything, sa mother of all nature. So, okay na. Refresh na ang ating buhok. Kagabi naligo na din ako sa aking body. So right now, what I will be doing is I'll be cleaning my nose. We are using distilled water to clean the nose. Distilled water. Lagay natin dito. And then to clean it, we will just be using cotton buds. It's important kung mayroong mga dugo-dugo is matanggal mo siya para hindi siya mamuo. That's the tip. And that's what I learned. Medyo maga, I noticed on the inside sa nose ko. But, on the sides, okay lang. It's the time for our medicine. Naglagay na tayo ng antibacterial na ointment. And I also now took my medicine. Ang kulang na lang would be vitamin C. And then later na naman ang iba. Nakatulog ako ulit guys. Nagising kami ni mama. Pinaliguan niya ako sa ulo, sa buhok. And then, naantok kaming dalawa, natulog kaming dalawa. Si Austin, gising na siya. So, siya lang mag-isa, nanood lang siya ng TV while kami dalawa ni mama natulog. Nag-contest kami magtulog. Right now, he's currently cooking. Are you cooking?
Yeah. Cookie.
What are you cooking?
Agree.
Maglinis kami ni Vince at ako dito sa baba kay daming kalat namin. Mga maleta ko andito pa rin sa baba. Tsaka mga bag. So, today, we will be cleaning that up. And also,
sit down.
hopefully,
Sit.
I'll be able to make a vlog. Hi, Austin.
Yeah. Push the eye.
You want to see si Ozzy?
Yeah.
Say hi, Ozzy.
Hi, Ozzy.
Now, where are you, Ozzy?
Where are you, Ozzy?
I miss you.
I miss you.
Ay, sus. Si Ozzy, ang best friend niya, taga Germany. Kahit nandito na siya sa Pilipinas, si Ozzy ang hinahanap. We are just watching our vlog because gusto ni Austin manood ng vlog namin. So, watch your own siya, love your own.
Sorry.
Oh, lagi. I-watch po na katong nag-camping ta. Yes, to nag-camping ta.
Anak to murag nakas ka ng kayo nga ubra.
Kami mo ni.
Anak ko kung galing ko.
Oh, milk yun.
Namungi ang ulat yun.
Kami mo ni.
At ayun babali mo. Ako no eh. Ano niyo? Ami birthday ko no.
Kami mo ni. Mr. Mamoy.
Dito sa taas dito.
Ay, ang istorya ba? No, di mabasa ako po.
Ganda.
Ang bata namin hindi pa tulog, anong oras na?
Austin, pass to Uncle Robert.
10:30.
Austin, pass to Uncle Robert. Austin. Uncle Robert. Shoot the ball. Bang. Uncle Vince, shoot the ball.
Ako yung profile di si Mash.
Hey. No good.
Si Austin turn.
Austin, shoot the ball.
Ako naman umiinom na pineapple juice.
What happened? You want me to punch Uncle Vince?
Yeah.
Do you want to eat rice?
No. Eat rice.
Do you want hamburger or chicken and rice?
Ayan.
9.
Wow.
Wow, di siya.
Why?
Can Mama try?
Outside, right?
9.
Outside, right?
Hello everyone! Today is day 4 ng ating rhinoplasty update, and so far gusto ko na matanggal ang ating tahi, and I feel still so stiff right here in this area, and then kahapon natanggal ang tape, so kailangan ko siyang i-change ng bagong tape. Sabi ng mama ko sobrang maga daw, parang avatar. Kita kag avatar, murag avatar akong now. Parang avatar pa daw tayo, but it's okay because it might take a month or 2 before mag-subside, specifically here in the middle part. But ang maganda is that hindi talaga siya masakit, wala namang kirot, medyo unbumpy lang talaga sa feeling. And then I always sleep with the neck pillow right here. And so natatamaan ang ears ko. Napula. Medyo mapula ang ating ears. Medyo annoyed na din ako sa ears na part. Wala, na-soft na lagi siya. Wala naman ko di siya ikuan. Mas-soft na ni atong ears. But when it comes to eating, I've been eating. Sa natanggalan na fat dito sa ating cheeks is that kung itatouch mo siya masakit. But from the inside, when I feel it, dito na area is hindi maga. Dito na part is maga. So, that's the update for that. And then, dito naman sa ating mga tahi, on the sides, I can already touch it and it feels really dry. Hindi siya yung parang nagmamaga na red, na nagnanana. Hindi naman ganon. It's really healing so good. I don't know on the inside. And I also don't know about the ears. But yun ang update sa ating day 4. And I'm just gonna be here in the house. I'm gonna be working or editing some videos. And that's gonna be it. That's what I will do. And hopefully, matanggal na talaga siya after a week. And then, we can really finally see kung ano ang 1 week post operation ng ating rhinoplasty. Hi everyone! Today is my 5th day post-op. And so far, I'm feeling okay. As you could notice, hindi talaga nagmaga ang aking full face. And hindi din ako nagpasak, which is really nice. And then what I noticed is that both sides right here, kahit natahi siya, is that it's healing really good. But the only negative thing that I noticed is that sobrang pula ng tip ko. So I messaged the clinic and I said, is it normal na nagre-red talaga ang tip? And they said, yes, it is normal na medyo merong pressure. And nag-chat din ako kay ChatGPT kung normal lang ba, okay lang ba. And it said that it's really normal. Of course, 5 days pa lang tayo from the procedure. But in this time, ang pinaka-challenge mo talaga would be your mental because in the time of waiting, of course, you will be sometimes a bit you will be wondering kung anong magiging result ng nose mo, kung magiging okay ba, kung babagay pa sa'yo. You will have all those questions in your mind. But so far, as I was looking into my nose na medyo nag-okay na siya ng konti kahit 5 days pa lang, I'm really liking it. Ang pinaka naninibago lang talaga ako is that meron akong bridge right here na talagang pag nakikita ko siya ay parang avatar. Yun yung pinakaunang reaction ko. But if you will really like, alam mo yun, pag magpipicture ka tapos i-angle-angle mo ng maganda, talagang sobrang ganda niya tingnan. And hindi talaga siya sobrang OA sa pagkataas. And that is really how I like it, na hindi talaga sobrang OA sa pagkataas because parang ako mismo matatakot sa sarili ko kung sobrang taas. So, right now, it's really doing so good. And hopefully, by end of this week, before Friday, sa graduation ng kapatid ko, is matanggal na ang mga tahi. And matanggal na din ang aking bandage. So, para at least kung merong kain after sa graduation, makasali din ako, no? Yan, siya na ako. Ni Ana siya ni mo. Second day of getting and trying this coffee. Before ako umalis dito sa Cebu is that hindi ko pa siya natikman and bago lang siya. And so, this is my second day na I'm ordering it every day. Yesterday, I ordered the sea salt sea salt latte something na coffee and hindi ako nakatulog, but it really tastes so good, very tasty, and I really like it. And you know what you could do, since it's very tasty, you can add ice into it and you can make the order more. And today I am trying their matcha. Yesterday I noticed they also have straw. Katong straw dahil nila nga baga. And let's taste the matcha. This is gonna be my first time, that's why I'm vlogging this. Because I want to react kung masarap ba siya or hindi. So this is their straw. I've learned that this is parang pasta ang ano niya. Ang pagka-make sa kanya ba. Bye! Punta ng kapatid ko may gym. Ako na lang mag-iso. Let's taste matcha. Ang sarap! Sea salt. Iced sea salt matcha latte. Less sweet. Dairy milk. Oh my gosh. This brand, I would say, ang sarap ng kape nila. So good. Nagtimpla kasi ako ng kape, oh. Great taste. It's a bit too sweet for me. And parang ang tamis lang ang nalalasahan ko ba. Although this is also sweet, but less. But really so good.
Girl, I see that you want it. Driving me crazy with that fire in your eyes. Oh.